Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to activate your Pinnacle bank debit card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Inside the URL box, type in pinnaclebank.com and search. You will then find yourself in the official website for Pinnacle Bank. To activate your debit card, you'll first need to log into your online banking account. Click on Online Banking Login at the top right corner and select your account type from the drop-down. I've chosen Online Banking. Now, after making a selection, click Login. Now, in the login area, type in your username and password associated with your Pinnacle bank account. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in both of your credentials, click Login. And once you sign into your Pinnacle bank account, look for the card activation option and follow through the prompts. You can also go ahead and contact Pinnacle customer service by clicking on the contact button at the top right hand corner from the main home page. Now fill in the information that is needed in the text boxes. Now simply go ahead and call on this customer service number displayed in the pop-up and follow through the automated prompts in order to activate your debit card. You will be asked to enter your debit card number, expiration date, and possibly other identifying information. Make sure that you provide your information correct, and you will then be able to activate your Pinnacle Bank's debit card. You may also visit nearby ATMs in order to activate your debit card. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.